some would argue that a lot of the negativity has already been priced into a stock that's lost 2/3 of its value since the highs that we saw. Are they right?
Hey, thanks for having me. Great to be on the show. I think that viewpoint is dead wrong, and let me explain. So Tesla is currently valued at more than the next three largest automakers combined, despite selling just 5% of the cars that those automakers sold in 2021. So what's that mean? That means Tesla should be seeing tremendous growth in its quarter-over-quarter shipments and year-over-year shipments. So what are we seeing? Here's the problem. Tesla has now engaged in 2 margin-slashing price cuts in the U.S. in Q4, 5 margin-slashing price cuts in China in Q4, 1 margin-slashing price cut in Europe in Q4. Despite that fact, based on their guidance for the 3rd quarter in a row, they're going to produce more cars than they sold. That's a record. They're producing more than they sold, which means they're not selling everything that they're making. Despite all of that, their lead times have collapsed, and they have 2 plants running at 20% capacity, Berlin, Texas, and 1 running at 93% capacity. This is a company, it's just a car company. 95% of revenues from selling cars, 5% from an energy division that loses money. They're just a car company that's built too much capacity that they can't sell, and that is a big problem.
Now, Gordon, the valuations, of course, are obviously an issue, and they have been for a while for many Tesla bears out there. Now, earlier last year, this was a stock that was valued at almost 230 times forward or anticipated earnings. It has come all the way down to about 24 to 25 times forward earnings, which, by the way, doesn't make it that much more expensive than some parts of the S&P 500. But if you look at companies and legacy automakers, to your point, like Ford and GM, which are trading at, call it 5 to 7 times forward earnings,
there you go.
it looks a lot. But some would say that Tesla's growth story is worth it. Why are they not right?
It's not growing. And one more thing on valuation, right? Typically in a luxury market, once you reach roughly 15% of that market, your growth stops. Look at BMW. They sell about 2.5 million cars a year. Look at Mercedes. They sell about 2.3. BMW valued at 58 billion, Mercedes valued at 70 billion. Both of those companies have great margins, better margins than Tesla. So if you apply those valuations to Tesla, you're talking about an $18 to $22 stock versus $140 today, roughly. So that's the problem. And with respect to growth, again, Dominic, you know this. If your backlog is collapsing, their backlog in China a couple months ago was several months. Now you can get a car immediately. Same thing in the U.S. Their backlog is nearly gone. Their backlog in Europe will be gone by the end of the year. That means their orders are less than their deliveries. So if they report 400,000 of deliveries this quarter, which we think they will roughly, that means their orders are less than that, which means they are not growing. You're talking about a company that's run rating about 1.6 million cars, and yet they have 2 facilities, Texas and Berlin, that are just operating at 20% capacity. So they can't sell out their existing capacity, and they're at 1.6 million of car sales. That is a big red flag, a big headwind for an automaker. So people who say they're growing, they're wrong. And on technology, there's a ton of other competitors out there, cars with equal or better real-world range, better interior, faster charging, and a network and a service that is actually there versus Tesla. So not only do you have all these headwinds, you have the competition. Last thing, Elon Musk espousing all these far right-wing conspiracies on Twitter. He's alienating his key constituency of buyers. You're talking about liberals who think EVs are going to save the world. So there's just so many headwinds. And if you apply a BMW/Mercedes valuation, you're talking about 80% more downside. So I think there's big risk still in this stock we would be selling.